everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's DIY we're going to transform this toga I'm wearing right here into a dress. Yes, so for the first step is we're going to remove all the sleeves, the zipper, and the chest part. After nating tas-tasin lahat yung mga sides at yung mga di na kailangan, ay ganito na yung kalabasan ng ating fabric. So magiging ganyan na siya. So clear na lahat. So yung may U-shape na lang yung problema, kaya tatanggalin natin yung may U-shape part kasi yan yung naglagyan ng sleeves natin. So we're going to mark it a straight line. Pasensya na yung doggy ko ay sa lapag kasi ako nagawa kasi medyo mahaba yung toga na yung aking ginamit, kaya hindi siya kang kasya dun sa pinagkakatan ko. So after natin siyang i-cut in straight line, we're now going to fold into two. Okay, so for the width of the fabric that we're going to use is 32 inches and the length is 37 inches. So ikakat natin dun sa may side niya. So after nan, i-measure natin 5 cm width and 10 cm length for the hand area. Okay, and after that we're now going to hem all the sides, double hem, guys. Okay, kung madali lang magtastas yung telang gagamitin nyo, pero mas okay pag double hem na lang siya. Okay, and then we're now going to measure 22 cm downwards or more. Or more, guys, kasi depende. Guys, kung wala kang elastic thread, pwedeng garter na lang, okay? So, ganyan yung form ng pagkakatahe ng elastic thread dun sa may likod, yung sa nasa screen. After sewing the sheer part, we're now going to connect the sides by side of the front and back. So after sewing the side by side, we're now going to put the sleeves. So in putting the sleeves, we're now mark it into the desired armhole of the dress or the main bodies of the dress, and then we're going to mark it like that. And after that, we're going to add 4 cm for the hemline. So guys, in hemming the hemline of the sleeves, dapat ay magkakasya yung garter na ilalagay nyo, ha? Kung malaki yung garter ilalagay nyo, dapat lakihan nyo din yung hemline niya, okay? And of course, after that, we're now going to insert the elastic or the garter inside the hole of the hemline. And then we're going to sew it side by side multiple times para maging fit yung yung garter natin. So after that, we're going to proceed to marking the hemline or the ruffles of the sleeves. So ginilagyan ko siya ng garter din dito kasi sobrang laki naman ng sleeves niya, diba? So okay, dapat okay siya, nalagyan siya ng garter. And after marking 4 inches from there into the hemline, we're going to use the excess fabric. I cut it 2.5 cm and attach it into the mark line. And then, we're going to remove the excess. Kung may excess dun sa may, tanggalin na lang natin. And then, i-connect natin dun sa isa. Okay? And after nun, ay i-fold na natin siya ng ganyan para mag-close yung fabric hem natin. Yan yung paglalagyanan natin ng garter mamaya, okay? Just make sure guys na magli-leave kayo ng space for the inserting the garter, okay? And after that, we're now going to connect the sleeves into the armhole of the dress. And that's all for the sewing steps, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it to your friend. We're done. Let's now see the final transformation. Bye-bye.